Hello and welcome to this complete course about the Java programming language. My name is Ahmed Ibrahim and I'll be the instructor for this course. Let's know what is the Java programming language. The Java programming language is one of the most popular programming languages ever because of its many advantages and its many uses. Also, Java is a high-level class-based object-oriented programming language that is designed to have as few implementation dependencies as possible. The Java Development Kit, or OpenJDK, is a free and open-source implementation of Java Standard Edition. So, it's free and open-source language and you can use it for free without any problems. Also, the Java programming language is a cross-platform language. That means you can develop Java application in Windows, for example, and use it in Mac and Linux. So you can use Java on any operating system you are using without any problems. This language was created by Sun Microsystems and now it's owned by Oracle. Now let's talk about why the Java programming language is so popular and what are its advantages. It's easy to learn, simple to use, but very powerful, and you can understand the Java programming language quickly. It is secure and fast. The Java programming language is secure because Java programs run inside a virtual machine. Also, Java doesn't support explicit pointer, and there are so many reasons why this language is secure and fast. The Java community is huge. You will find many websites for this language. There are many communities for the developers of the Java programming language. So if you encounter any problems, you will find the solution easily. And you will find help easily and in many websites. Also, Java is an object-oriented programming language which gives a clear structure to programs and allows code to be reused, and this will decrease the development costs. Java is a widely used programming language. You can use the Java programming language for building graphical user interface applications, server-side applications, web applications, mobile applications, embedded systems applications, enterprise applications, scientific applications, and many more. Therefore, learning the Java programming language opens up many opportunities for you. Well, now let's talk about the features of this course. Why this course? In this course, you will learn all the fundamentals of the Java programming language that make you a professional Java developer in no time. And this is a completely new course with the new updates of the Java programming language in 2022. In this course, you will learn all the concepts of the Java programming language theoretically and then practically with real examples to apply what you have learned. Once you take this course, you will save great efforts and money, as well as your valuable time, because you will learn what you need in a short time and with high efficiency. So, if you want to start a successful journey in learning the Java programming language to become a professional Java developer today, join this course. And let me tell you one more thing, which is that there are no requirements to take this course. You will learn in this course everything you need to become a professional Java developer. So we have a lot to cover in this course. Let's get started.